In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your image portfolio on Fresha in just a few simple steps. Whether you're a hairstylist, beautician, or any other professional wanting to showcase your work visually, having an up-to-date image gallery is crucial for attracting and retaining clients. We'll walk through every step you need to take, and before you know it, your portfolio will be refreshed and ready to impress. Let's dive right in. First, start by accessing your Fresha dashboard. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll notice either an image or a middle initial, depending on your current profile settings. Go ahead and click on that area. This action serves as a gateway to your account settings, allowing you to make modifications and personalize your profile. Once you've done that, a drop-down menu will appear. This is where you'll need to click on My Profile. By doing this, you'll be taken to a page that holds all your personal and professional information. Scroll down slightly until you find the Portfolio section. Now, on the right, you'll see a button labeled Manage. Click on this button to initiate the process of editing your portfolio. Now, you'll be redirected to another page where all your images will be displayed. If your portfolio has been around for a while, this page might be filled with several visuals representing your work. Here lies the heart of why we're here: to edit your images. Look for the Edit button and click it to proceed to the next stage. With the editing mode engaged, you now have the ability to upload new images that highlight your most recent work. Click on Upload Images, and your device's file browser will open, letting you choose the images you wish to add. This is where you get to be a little creative and strategic. Choose pictures that best showcase your skills, appeal to the clients you're aiming for, and maybe even tell a story about your style or specialization. Once you've made your selections, your chosen images will begin to upload. This might take just a moment, especially if the image files are large, but hang tight as it completes. After your images have successfully uploaded, there's just one final step: saving your work. At the top of the page, you'll see a Save button. Click on it, and all your changes will be locked in. And there you have it. You've successfully updated your image portfolio on Fresha. Remember, keeping your portfolio current is a great way to showcase your evolving skills and attract new clients. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this walkthrough helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.